Welcome to Tricked Out Trailers. On this episode, we'll show you the features of this Wolfpup travel trailer made by Forest River. We take a factory-built trailer and put a touch of MORryde on it. You wind up with a tricked out trailer that will be the envy of all your fellow owners. This Wolfpup by Forest River is a single-axle toy hauler that offers owners lots of flexibility. Whether it's the off-beaten path or a trip to the dunes, the Wolfpup has features for you. Let's start with a smooth ride provided from Air1 Suspension by MORryde. Using Activate technology, Air1 gives you amazing suspension and ride control. Whether it's going over rough roads, which can take a toll on even the best-built RV, or going off-road, Air1 walks over bumps, protecting the trailer from damaging road shock. And with total height control with your Bluetooth app, you can set your camp mode, your tow mode, and if necessary, your off-road mode. Check out the difference it makes loading and unloading your toys with total Air1 height adjustment. The Air1 delivers amazing high-end towing that you only expect on large, luxurious fifth wheels, but this Wolfpup sets the trend. When you're at the campground, you want your trailer to be rock solid and not move when somebody walks around or the wind blows heavy. That's not an issue on this Wolfpup with the Xbrace Stabilizer by MORryde and Winfield products. The Xbrace locks the trailer in place and makes it so steady. So steady that even pushing the unit doesn't move it. Extra stability from Xbrace. While you're outside, check out the spare tire on this Wolfpup. RVers hate changing tires and usually call a road service, but this spare tire carrier changes that. Simple and easy access is the name of the game. This next upgraded feature is the latest in step technology on this Wolfpup. MORryde StepAbove steps have revolutionized the towable step product, and now you get the next generation that includes the quick trigger leg, making for easy, level setup, the wide top step, and the residential rise run, making getting into and out of the trailer safe and secure. Look inside and check out the coolest AirWall you'll ever see. Want the patio wrapped down but still want to keep the cool inside? No problem with the AirWall from MORryde and Vango. Using revolutionary air technology made popular in Europe, the AirWall keeps the summer heat out and the cool in. And it sets up so quick and easy. How's that for a tricked out Wolfpup? You won't find another one like it yet, but that's sure to change as soon as owners catch this vision on what they can do with theirs. For more information on this tricked out Wolfpup, write us at sales@morryde.com.